I would like to start with a quote of Ban Ki-moon. Migration is an expression of the human aspiration for dignity, safety, and a better future. It is the part of the social fabric, part of our very makeup as a human family. In today's video, we are going to focus on a legal career in immigration. Welcome back. Hi, I'm Sadul Nissa and thank you for joining me on this video today. Objective of immigration is gaining citizenship or nationality in a different country. Thereby, we can say that laws that are governed by the provisions of the Constitution in relation to citizenship or nationality. To control immigration, many countries set up customs at entry points. Some common locations for entry points are airports and roads near the border. Immigration lawyers handle a variety of issues in behalf of the clients, which includes obtaining citizenship, defending against deportation, acquiring immigrant or resident visa, etc. Lawyer is also required to deal with set of laws which decide whether a visitor should be allowed to enter the country, duration of the visit, purpose, etc. Being an immigration lawyer is not easy. It requires excellent communication skills and a thorough understanding of the various immigration policies. Immigration lawyers handle legal matters that pertain to immigration. They interpret and provide advice on migration, citizenship, and business immigration issues, political asylum, and on the process through which people may secure travel, work, or student visa. If an applicant has been convicted of a crime, prior immigration applications have been denied. If the person has previously been deported or excluded from entry, if an applicant has a medical condition, when an applicant is waiting an unreasonably long time during the application process, if the applicant is seeking an employment-based visa, but yet prospective employer is not assisting with immigration issues. If the applicant has begun the application process but does not know what to do next. Candidates must have completed graduate level degree in law. Certificate in immigration law will be helpful. Strong communication skills, a thirst for knowledge, perseverance, patience, rational approach, critical thinking, etc. Internship with law firms that specialize in immigration issues. I've linked my previous videos in the description below. Go ahead and check them. Don't forget to click the I button here to get the latest videos on my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and viewers for supporting me. My channel has reached 500 subscribers today. Thank you so much for all your support. Please keep supporting by clicking on like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a good day and see you in the next video.